Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we will discuss the media menu in CapCut PC. If you watch this video all the way through without skipping, you will learn everything from A to Z about the media menu. You might discover a lot of things you didn't know before. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video. When we open CapCut on PC, you'll see the same interface. Now look at the top right corner. There's the media option. Today, we will explore and understand everything about media. When you click on media, you'll see options like import, yours, spaces, and library. Now, when I click on import, another box will appear on the side labeled import. Here you can see options for videos, audios, and images. To edit your video, the first step is to import all the necessary files, videos, audio, images into this box. Once they're imported, you can select them from here to use for editing. Let's discuss the first step of importing in detail. First, make sure the media menu is selected. If it's not, click on it to select it. Then, either select media or click on import. Once you click on import, your file explorer will open. From there, navigate to the folder where your video, audio, or image files are stored. Then, select the files you want to import for editing. You can either import one file at a time, video, image, or audio, by selecting it and clicking open. Or if all the files are in one folder, you can select all of them at once and click open to bring them into CapCut. Similarly, you can navigate to any folder, select the files you want, and import them. For example, here I'm selecting my video, audio, and image files and clicking open. After clicking open, all my selected files are imported into CapCut. If you want to import more files, simply follow the same process. Click import. Navigate to the folder and select the files you want. For instance, if I want to import audio files, I'll select them, then click open, and they'll be imported. You can continue this process to import everything you need for your project. If you want to delete any imported files, video, audio, or images, select the file first, then press delete. The file will be removed. If you accidentally delete something, you can press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to undo the action, and the deleted file will reappear. Now, you might notice that all your imported files, audio, video, and images are mixed together in one place. As you import more files, finding a specific one can become quite challenging. To make this process easier, here's a tip used by professional video editors. Create separate folders for each type of file. For example, you can create a folder for videos, another for audio files, one for images, and another for sound effects. This way, you can organize all your elements into dedicated folders, saving you a lot of time. To create a folder, first import some files. Then, right-click with your mouse, and you'll see an option called New Folder. Click on it, and a new folder will be created. Initially, the folder will be named Folder 1, but you can rename it to something meaningful, like videos. To rename the folder, right-click on it and select Rename. Delete the existing name. Type videos, and then click Save. The folder name will change. Now, to move files into the folder, select the files, drag them over the folder, and release them. The files will be moved into the folder. For example, here you can see that my video files have been moved into the videos folder. To exit the folder, click on the All option at the top. This will take you back to the main screen. If you want to re-enter the folder, double-click on it. Similarly, you can create a folder for audio files, images, or any other elements. Let's create a few more folders for better organization. Here we have our audio. To create a folder for audio, just like before, press the left mouse button and click New Folder. Then the folder will be created. Now, rename the folder. For that, keep the mouse pointer on the folder. Press the left button and click Rename. Then type the name and click Save to save it. Now, select all your audio files and drag them to the audio folder. After that, click on All to come back to the main view. Just like this, create a folder for images as well. So now you can see all our videos, audio, and images are neatly organized in their respective folders. Doesn't it look better now? From here, you can quickly bring any image, video, or audio to your timeline for editing. For example, if you need a video, go to the video folder, select the video you want, drag it to the timeline, and drop it. Similarly, for audio, go to the audio folder and drag the required audio to the timeline. Do the same for images. If you organize your files like this, your editing process will become 10 times faster than before. Now, if you want to add more elements to any of the folders, you need to enter the specific folder. Once you're inside, you'll see the import option. Click on it, and just like before, your File Explorer will open. Navigate to the folder you need, select the file, and click Open. You'll see the file gets added to your folder, and from there, you can drag it to your timeline for editing. If you want to create another folder within an existing folder, you can do that too. For instance, let's create a folder inside the video folder for B-roll videos. Go inside the video folder. Right-click and click New Folder to create it. Rename the folder by keeping the mouse pointer on it, pressing the left button, and clicking Rename. Now, go inside the new folder and click Import to add files as before. You can now easily bring these files to your timeline for editing. If you want to delete a folder or a file, select it and press Delete. But if you've already used a file from a folder on your timeline, it will ask for confirmation. If you're sure you want to delete it, click Confirm, and it will be deleted. If you want to see only videos, audios, or images inside the media box, you can use the filter option. For example, click anywhere inside the box and then click Filter. To see only videos, select Video. To see only audios, select Audio. To see only images, select Image. If you want to see everything together again, click All in the Filter menu, and all files will show up together like before. Another way to import, if you want to import any audio, video, or image directly, open the folder on your computer where your files are stored. Select the files you need, and then drag them directly into the media box of CapCut. You'll see the files appear there. If you want to bring files directly to the timeline, select them from your computer and drag them straight to the timeline. They'll be added instantly. If you're importing multiple files, make sure to drag them starting from the first one. This will keep them in order on the timeline. If you drag from anywhere else, your files may get mixed up. Also, when you drop them onto the timeline, they'll be added to the media box automatically. You'll see an option for subprojects. Click on it and then click Import. Your previous projects will show up. You can mark all to import them together or select just one or two and click Import. The selected projects will be imported and displayed here. You can bring a subproject to the timeline and see all the edits you've made. If you want to break the subproject apart, select it, right-click, and click Undo Compound Clip Subproject. This will open the original project, and you can edit or copy elements from it into another project. The library option has a lot of useful elements, but you'll need an internet connection to download and use them. To use an element, click on the download icon next to it. Once downloaded, you can use it in your project. You can also mark your favorite elements by clicking the star icon. This will save them into your section under Favorites, making them easy to find later. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a like and drop a comment below. I'll reply to your comments as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.